We've now reached the last step of the design process. Here, the splint is shown in a realistic render, a transparent version with surface shine, so that we can again look at the splint from all perspectives and check that the device is exactly as we wish. If I want to change anything, I can do so by going back via the bottom menu and editing parts of the surface further. But as I am satisfied, I'm going to click on the arrow one last time and move on to the production step. In this step, I'm going to select the printer I want to send the splint to, in this case, our 3D printer, and select the material configuration that I want to print with. Firstly, the layer thickness, and secondly, the post-curing device that I'd like to use. In this case, we want to print in 50 microns and process the splint with an LED post-curing unit like the DMG 3D E-Cure. Now I have the option of either sending the splint directly to the printer or saving the design and closing the case. I'm going to do the latter, and now our case has appeared in the main menu in the recently added cases section. It's the live demo assigned to Claudia Schweitzer with the status done, as we've completed this design and it is ready for printing. The cases below are still being worked on. Clicking on the arrow on the far right of the respective case lets us see the data we've created, and we can also open up the case again. This concludes our short introduction to the bite splint creation workflow in DentaMile Connect. Thanks for watching and listening.